Orion, where are you going?
Bardock, look, I've been making some decisions, and I decided I don't want to marry you.
Orion, why?
Being tied down isn't what I want, and I know it sounds like I only strung you along, but I never envisioned a life with someone.
We have 2 children! What about Kakarot and Raditz?
I am sorry, Bardock. It's best this way. I love the boys, I really do, but...
Orion, please! What am I going to do?
I can find you other low classes that admire you, Bardock. Like, for instance, I ran into this woman named Jean.
I don't want any other woman. I want you. What part of that don't you understand?
Bardock, do you really want me to be with you? Pretending I'm happy when I'm not.
No!
Just please, let me extend this olive branch to you. Give you, Kakarot, and Raditz a chance to be happy.
You know Raditz is going to not buy that Gina is his true mother. Saiyan children know their parents.
I know. And it's a risk I'm willing to take.